Are your daily vitamins actually making you weaker? You might think you're doing everything right to stay healthy, but some common supplements could be quietly destroying your leg strength, making falls and mobility issues more likely. In this video, we're diving into 5 vitamins that seniors should stop taking immediately, because instead of helping, they could be robbing you of your muscle power and stability. If you're over 50, this is a must-watch. We'll also reveal what to take instead to keep your legs strong and your body moving with confidence. Stay tuned, you won't believe what's on this list. Vitamin number 1. Too much calcium can weaken your muscles. Calcium is essential for strong bones, but too much calcium can weaken your muscles, especially in your legs. Many seniors take calcium supplements to prevent osteoporosis, but an overload can lead to muscle cramping, weakness, and even an increased risk of falls. That's because excess calcium can interfere with magnesium, a mineral crucial for muscle function. Studies show that high calcium intake can cause muscle stiffness by affecting the balance of magnesium and potassium, both of which help muscles contract and relax properly. This imbalance can lead to sluggish, tired muscles that make it harder to move around. Plus, excess calcium can accumulate in your arteries, increasing the risk of heart issues and poor circulation, both of which affect leg strength. Another problem. Calcium supplements are often paired with vitamin D, which increases calcium absorption. While this is usually a good thing, it can backfire if you're already getting enough calcium from your diet. Too much absorbed calcium can deposit in soft tissues instead of bones, causing calcification in muscles and blood vessels. Over time, this can make your legs feel heavier, stiffer, and weaker. What to do instead? Instead of high-dose calcium supplements, focus on calcium from food sources like leafy greens, dairy, and nuts. Also, make sure you're getting enough magnesium and vitamin K2, which help regulate calcium in the body and direct it to your bones instead of your muscles. Vitamin number 2, excess vitamin D can lead to muscle weakness. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin, and it's crucial for bone health. But did you know that too much vitamin D can actually cause muscle weakness, especially in your legs? Seniors often take high doses of vitamin D to support bone density, but excess vitamin D can lead to high calcium levels, which, as we just discussed, can be a disaster for muscle function. Hypercalcemia, too much calcium in the blood, caused by excess vitamin D can result in muscle pain, cramps, and weakness. This happens because too much vitamin D increases calcium absorption to unsafe levels, throwing off the balance of magnesium and potassium, both of which are critical for muscle contractions and nerve function. When these minerals are out of balance, your muscles might feel sluggish, unresponsive, or even prone to cramps. In fact, research shows that excess vitamin D is linked to increased falls in seniors. A study published in JAMA Internal Medicine found that seniors who took high-dose vitamin D supplements were more likely to experience falls compared to those who took lower doses. This suggests that too much vitamin D can negatively impact muscle control and balance, putting you at risk for dangerous falls and injuries. What to do instead? Rather than taking high-dose vitamin D supplements, get your levels checked first. If you're deficient, take only what's necessary to maintain optimal levels. Also, make sure you're balancing vitamin D with enough magnesium and vitamin K2, which help regulate calcium and protect your muscles. Vitamin number 3, too much iron can drain your energy and weaken your legs. Iron is essential for healthy blood and oxygen transport, but for many seniors, iron supplements are unnecessary, and can even be harmful. While younger people often need iron due to menstruation or growth, older adults rarely need extra iron unless they have a diagnosed deficiency. In fact, excess iron can cause muscle fatigue, leg weakness, and even damage to your organs. One of the biggest risks of excess iron is oxidative stress, which occurs when iron builds up in the body and creates harmful free radicals. These free radicals damage muscle cells, leading to chronic fatigue, muscle weakness, and even an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Over time, excess iron can accumulate in the liver and heart, affecting circulation, which is crucial for keeping your legs strong and mobile. Another issue. Iron supplements can disrupt the absorption of other essential minerals like zinc and magnesium, both of which are critical for muscle strength and repair. This imbalance can leave your muscles feeling weaker and less responsive, making it harder to stay active. What to do instead? Most seniors get enough iron from their diet, so unless a doctor has diagnosed you with iron deficiency, skip the supplements. Instead, focus on eating iron-rich foods like spinach, lentils, and lean meats, which provide balanced amounts without overloading your system. Vitamin number 4, high-dose vitamin E can cause muscle weakness. Vitamin E is known for its antioxidant properties, but taking too much can actually cause muscle weakness and increase the risk of falls. Many seniors take vitamin E supplements to support heart health, but research shows that high doses can interfere with muscle function and even contribute to nerve damage. One major concern is that excess vitamin E can thin the blood too much, leading to poor circulation and oxygen delivery to the muscles. When your leg muscles don't get enough oxygen, they can feel weak, fatigued, and more prone to cramping. This makes it harder to maintain balance and mobility, especially as you age. Additionally, high doses of vitamin E can disrupt the balance of other antioxidants in your body, leading to a paradoxical effect where it actually promotes oxidative stress instead of preventing it. This can damage muscle cells and contribute to overall frailty and weakness in seniors. What to do instead? Rather than taking high-dose vitamin E supplements, get this nutrient naturally from foods like nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. This way, your body gets just the right amount without the risk of muscle-weakening side effects. Vitamin number 5, too much vitamin A can weaken your muscles. Vitamin A is crucial for vision, immune function, and skin health, but too much can lead to muscle weakness and even increase your risk of fractures. Seniors who take high-dose vitamin A supplements may experience fatigue, reduced muscle strength, and joint pain, all of which make mobility more difficult. Excess vitamin A can interfere with bone metabolism and muscle repair, leading to increased frailty and a higher risk of falls. Additionally, high doses have been linked to nerve damage, which can affect muscle coordination and leg strength over time, another problem. Vitamin A is fat-soluble, meaning it gets stored in the liver instead of being flushed out easily. This means that even if you stop taking high doses, the excess vitamin A can linger in your body, continuing to cause muscle weakness and balance problems. What to do instead? Rather than relying on supplements, get your vitamin A from natural food sources like carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens. These provide a safer, balanced intake without the risk of muscle-weakening side effects. Simple tips to help maintain mobility and overall health: consult your doctor first. Before stopping or starting any supplement, talk to a healthcare provider to understand what's best for your body. Avoid overuse of certain vitamins. Excessive intake of vitamins like calcium, vitamin E, and vitamin A can contribute to muscle weakness or poor circulation. Balance calcium-magnesium intake. Too much calcium without enough magnesium can lead to muscle cramping and weakness, affecting leg strength. Watch out for too much vitamin D. High doses of vitamin D can cause imbalances in calcium levels, which may lead to muscle pain or weakness. Be careful with iron supplements, unless prescribed. Excess iron can interfere with muscle function and cause oxidative stress, which may weaken leg muscles. Prioritize protein and essential nutrients. Instead of relying solely on supplements, focus on a diet rich in lean protein, healthy fats, and fiber to support muscle health. Stay active. Exercise regularly. Weight-bearing exercises, stretching, and strength training help maintain muscle strength and flexibility in the legs. Hydrate properly. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps and weakness, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. Get vitamins from natural sources. Consume leafy greens, fruits, nuts, and fish instead of relying heavily on synthetic supplements.